This video is to show you how to use the Gemini wallet for cryptocurrency. So if you're trying to purchase Bitcoin or Ethereum, or you need another wallet where you need to immediately be able to buy some Bitcoin, and you don't want to use Coinbase, you don't want to use Kraken, or you don't want to use some of these other apps, you can use Gemini is another really good way. And what I like about Gemini is that their fees are pretty low as well. But also what you want to know about Gemini is that I believe there's no limit on the amount of Bitcoin that you can buy. And there's no limit amount on the amount that you can sell. So that's a really great thing. So if you're in a person that's really trying to purchase very large amounts of Bitcoin, this is a really great solution to go with. So let's just show you, let's look at the dashboard for a second. So if we look at this dashboard, you have your United States balance, USD, that's because I'm in United States. Then you got your Bitcoin balance here, and then there's an Ethereum balance. And then it even shows you a price on what your Bitcoin is worth at that time. So as you see up here, it says the change right now, Bitcoin is at $6,300.33. So as Bitcoin goes up or down, you will also see like this price here fluctuating too. So it'll show you exactly how your uh, balance is fluctuating with the price of Bitcoin at the moment. Okay, so with that being said, let's look through this a little bit. And they also, of course, you got the charts on the bottom here that are kind of showing that. Well, this is the 24-hour trend, as we know. No, I'm sorry, this isn't the 24-hour trend. This is like the 7-day trend. It looks like. So we see the price has been going up. Hit an all-time high this week at about 7,700, and then there was the fork coming, and then right after that fork, it immediately price came crashing down. And now this is probably like the lowest been right now. It's 63. 20 right here is about the lowest that the price has been, period. So if we would go to, let's say, how do you actually buy Bitcoin? So let's look at that. They give you options. You can buy with United States, you can with US dollars, you could buy Ethereum with dollars, or you could buy some Ethereum with Bitcoin. So let's click on the first option. Okay. All right. So I'm sorry. I was over here looking at the Bitcoin price for a minute. I'm trying to see if it had dropped again. All right. So looking at this price, okay. So looking at where we're at. So if you want to buy Bitcoin, first you have to add funds. That's the thing. You have to add funds to this account. And so when you click on the add funds, it's going to give you the option. It's going to look something like here, and it's going to ask you, do you want to wire transfer money? Do you want to add money from your bank account? Do you want to, add? Or do you want to put some BTC? Do you want to take some BTC from another wallet where you have Bitcoin and then bring it to this wallet? So some people may want to do that, but then you got other people that just want to buy Bitcoin. So you would click on this here where it says transfer money from the wallet, and then it tells you, it says your deposit will be credited um, within immediately. However, your fund's going to take $45 to clear. So hypothetically, let's say if you want to buy $1,000 worth of Bitcoin, and you decide to, you gotta withdraw it from your bank, and then it'll come here, and then once it's here in Gemini, in that Gemini wallet, it'll immediately show up. I'm talking about within seconds. However, it will not allow you to withdraw that money. It will just be sitting here. So you can just use that money to buy some Bitcoin. So if you just want to buy at the current price, it's a good price. It'll allow you to upload your money, buy at this current price, but you will not be able to remove the Bitcoin from here until about 4 days, because they want to clear to make sure that your bank account is covering the purchase that you had made or that you are making at the moment. So that's how that works. So it's good. It's allowed you an instant buy. That way you can lock in that current price. And so that's what I really like. It's really simple once you upload your information on here. There's a little bit of verification. I think they ask for an ID at the most, but nothing much. I mean, they ask for a bank account, and I also believe you can use a debit card. But this is a pretty good site. Now, good site. Now you can also sell your Bitcoin. So if you want to sell Bitcoin here, you will come to the sell button, and then this has the price. Now also you can switch it up. You can do a limit order or a limit sale, market or cancel. You can do an immediate or cancel. You can do a market. We're not going to get too deep in this, but just know for the average person that's just looking to buy and sell, you're going to most likely sell at market. Means you're selling at what the market price is. If it's 6,500, you're going to sell at 6,500. All right. Once you start doing limit orders, this is different. A limit order or limit sale is you saying that you're predicting that the price will change and you want to sell based on that change that you're predicting. So you think it's going to go down $10, so you want to sell when it goes down $10. Or you want to buy when it goes down $10. Or if you want to sell, you're predicting it's going to go up $1,000 and you want to sell when it goes up 1,000. So that's how that works. Now also, so that's how you sell your Bitcoin. Now let's say for instance, if you just want to withdraw some Bitcoin, you bought Bitcoin here, it's cleared, it's available. You would just go to transfer funds, withdraw from exchanges. You want to withdraw Bitcoin or your Ethereum. You're going to put in the wallet address on where you want to send the money to, put in the amount of BTC that you want to send, and then they're going to click on the button to send it. Very small transaction fees. Most of these fees I've seen were about 50 cents, at the very most $1. Very, very small for the amount of money that you can be moving, especially when knowing there's an unlimited amount that you can be able to pretty much buy and sell. So that's really, really good. It says BTC withdrawal holds. You have 2 pre-credited USD deposits waiting to fully clear, resulting in a whole of this, right? So this is just basically saying I purchased some Bitcoin at a price earlier this week, and they're just waiting for the bank to verify that I do have that money in there. And so that's what that is. So overall, I mean, there's some other things you can do with this, but I just wanted to show you the basics of this here. Gemini I believe it's owned by the Winklevoss twins. I believe those were the guys that were claiming that they created Facebook, and then Mark Zuckerberg stole it from him. I believe those are the guys that created this platform. So I could be wrong, but this is just what I believe. So, but anyway, I just wanted to put that out there. They're based in New York, and then I believe they might even have some insurance on this site. So that do your own research just to verify, and yeah, and so that's how Gemini works. And I'm gonna look around here to see if they have a customer service number anywhere here, because that would be great. Then they got some security. You can use the API and integrate this API as well. So Gemini is it's I don't know. They also have right. They got a cold storage as well. You got cold storage and a hot wallet. But this is pretty good, really good. And so we'll go back to. Then they also are working with the institutions as well. Um, if you got an institution, you can be able to get an instant startup and purchase with the institution. So this is a whole nother level, guys. But just want to show you that. I'm going to sign out of this account, but I just wanted to show you all just a little bit about the Gemini platform and how to buy with it. I hope this answered your questions. Please be sure to, I should have a link to Gemini where you can sign up. Be sure to sign up. We got school and classes where I teach more about cryptocurrency and how to be able to navigate your way through this journey. And you can sign up and for those crypto classes, as well as we offer some other programs that we work with in terms of other companies to help you be able to generate some income and trade on your Bitcoin. So click on those links below, and thank you for subscribing and liking our page. Thanks.